Welcome back. I am Kritika, and if you ever felt stuck trying to make your site plans look polished without spending hours in Photoshop or Illustrator, this video is exactly for you. Today I'm going to walk you through how to style an architectural site plan using Rayon Design, a tool I have been loving for its simplicity and speed. No complicated layers, no switching between softwares, just one platform and a clean professional output. Also, a big thank you to everyone who participated in the giveaway on my last video. Stick around till end because I'll be announcing the 3 lucky winners who will get the free access to Rayon Design. Now, let's get started. Let's open Rayon Design in my web browser. At the top right corner, you will find Import option. Click on it. Now, I'm going to import the line drawing of my site plan. You can also import the DWG file if you want. I am importing a Rayon file and here's my plan. The line drawing is ready. At the center, we have the office building. On one side, the office parking, and on the other side, the public parking. I will start by creating a new layer. Go to the left side panel, click on the plus icon, create a new layer. Let's name it as Office Zones. First, I will focus on the building and then I will move to the rest of the site. I will take the rectangular tool from the bottom toolbar and draw a rectangle like this. This part of the building will be the cafeteria, and at the center, we will have the courtyard. Now, I will go to the right hand side properties panel and change the hatch. Go to Fill, Hatch, Patterns and choose the pattern. I will select the oblique lines, set the opacity to 20% and the color to red. You can also adjust the hatch scale. I will keep it around 3. Next, I will remove the stroke from the properties panel. Now, I will take the polyline tool from the bottom toolbar and draw the shape of the office space area. If you want to edit your shape, you can use the edit tool from the bottom, adjust the points and click done. From the right hand side properties, I will add a hatch to it. Solid fill, 20% opacity, black color and remove the stroke. On the top and the bottom of the courtyard, we have the circulation area. I will mark that using the rectangular tool. Add hatch, keep the opacity 20%, copy paste it to the other side using the Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V command. Now the building zones are complete. Next, I will focus on the site. I have already created the line drawing, so simply I will select the area and change the fill from the right hand side properties. For the roads, I will use the light asphalt texture. You can also choose the darker one if you like. For the paved area, I will go to the Fill, Textures and choose a tile pattern. Or you can upload your own textures if you have one. I will use the ceramic tiles, adjust the scale and apply the same texture on the paved areas using the eyedropper tool. For the grass, I will select the area, go to the textures, choose grass 2, reduce the opacity and scale it around 5 for a better proportion. Repeat this for all the grass areas using the picker tool. I will also add textures to the parking area and the planter, for example, pebbles in the planter. Now, let's add site elements. Create a new layer named Elements. Go to the block library. Rayon Design has an extensive collection of elements, human figures, cars, parking layouts, and more. For example, I will search for parking and you will see so many options. I will add a bicycle parking near the planter, drag and drop it, copy paste to fill the row. From the urban landscape folder, I will add bushes as a privacy barrier between the building and the road. I will also add street lamps at the entry, bicycle parking, and other needed locations. In the parking area, I will add cars, rotating and adjusting them to fit. Adding these small details make the site plan more realistic and relatable. In the green areas, I will add trees of different varieties and sizes so it doesn't look monotonous. You can also change their color for a more natural look. Simply select the element, edit it, and add color to it. Next, I will add human figures to show activity, people walking, entering the office, or in the communal area. For shadows, create a new layer named as shadows. If you have a 3D model, you can export the shadows from there. Otherwise, add them manually using the polyline tool at the 45 degrees angle. Fill with the black color at opacity 20% and remove the stroke. Repeat for buildings, courtyards, and trees. For tree shadows, create a separate layer, place it under the element layer and use circles scale to match the tree's canopies. Now, I will add text and leaders. Create a new layer named text. Use the text tool and type labels like main entrance or the landscape screen for privacy. From the properties panel, you can adjust font size and color. Leader helps point to specific elements. Just click to place the arrow, type the text and adjust the properties. Finally, let's add icons. For example, a parking icon, a disabled parking, bicycle parking, or icons for cafeteria, park, and office area. Place them neatly and create a legend with labels explaining each icon. For the title, I will use the text tool to write office site plan. Increase the size, adjust it neatly, place the not sign, adjust the overall composition. Once done, Go to the pages, click on the three dots and export as a PNG or a PDF file. Before exporting, check your line weight, adjust any that look incorrect, and that's it. And that's how you take a basic site plan and turn it into something presentation ready without even opening Photoshop or Illustrator. This is why I love using Rayon Design. It's efficient, intuitive, and perfect for fast and clean architectural presentations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts or questions in the comment box below. And I would love to hear what would you like to see next. Now it's the giveaway time. I want to say a huge thank you for each one of you who participated in the giveaway. Your enthusiasm, your support means a lot to me. Now it's the time you all have been waiting for. 3 lucky winners are displayed on the screen now. Massive congratulations to all 3 of you. To claim your prize, drop down your email address in the comment box below and I will get in touch with you and send you over the free access to try out Rayon Design. I'm so excited for you guys to try and explore Rayon Design. More exciting things are coming up soon. So stay tuned, keep designing, keep exploring, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.